Shops, restaurants, banh mi, and egg coffee. I was ready to explore the Old Quarter in Hanoi. Then I started moving. It's hard to describe being a pedestrian around the Old Quarter. It's constant stimulation, but you can't stop and look around. Cars, scooters, bicycles, pets, and scooters parked on the sidewalk forcing you to walk in the streets, and a general lack of traffic lights. It's a different system. In fact, I'm not sure if there is a system. The system could be best described as the lack of a system. You nose out, regardless of your mode of transportation, and assume others will avoid you. It shouldn't work, and yet it does. There's more banh mi and coffee than you could consume on every block in the Old Quarter. Some of the best gems require navigation, hidden among tight hallways and small staircases. Beyond the craziness of a simple street crossing, the Old Quarter is very walkable and has some areas that can even reduce anxieties. You can find some really interesting cultural experiences as well. Nighttime in the Old Quarter is no less congested, but the lights give it a different feel. One of the most interesting spots to visit at night is Train Street. It's several blocks of businesses selling food and drink so you can watch a train roll by. Pretty simple, but for some reason it's a lot of fun. When it's train time, everything is cleared out of the way, the business owners acting as temporary perimeter guards. Then, everything goes back to normal. Even during the day, Train Street is lit up like a Christmas tree. If you're in Hanoi, don't miss out on exploring the Old Quarter.